Hey guys, what's going on? It's DJ here. I've got a little scripture to say real quick here. It says in Proverbs 22:6, train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, it will not depart from him. We're out riding on the trails. In order to maintain the bikes, to keep them in good working condition, we gotta wash them. Not only wash them, but you gotta maintenance them. And Seth is learning the importance of maintaining his motorcycle so he's able to ride it for a long time to come. Seth over here working on his chain guard. He's got debris built up inside there. You got to take it off, clean it out, and to oil up the chain good. The bikes are pretty dirty from the last time we went and rode. And we got back to the house. It was already dark and cold, so we waited till today to be able to clean them and maintenance them.
Ah, there we go. Broke this little.
Seth has taken off the chain guard that's over the front sprocket. That way you can get the junk out of it. Let's see how nasty it is, Bubba. You get it?
Loosen it a little bit more.
Last time he cleaned it out, there was pieces of plastic and all kinds of nasty junk in there.
There's a little oil everywhere. Maybe get a magnet. Do we have a magnet down?
No, just undo it the rest of the way. There you go.
Come on, get out. There.
You got it. Just pick that up. There you go.
All right. Look at all that.
Let me see. Oh, that's nasty.
I probably need like a screwdriver to get that crap out.
No, don't use that.
Get a stick.
No. There's built up gunk all over that. You have to wash the bikes. They got a bunch of mud built up on them. So washing his right now. You see all the mud coming off of it. It's gonna run off of the water.
Got your back strip over the thing.
Quite dirty. I'll have to wash mine next. Okay guys, finishing washing up my bike. Trying to, it's not getting very clean. I've had quite a bit of mud action going. In this past year. Sorry if the video's not very well. Trying to hold the water hose and the camera at the same time. Doesn't work out too good. Make sure everything's good and washed off. Try to at least. There's a bunch of mud up under that. Make sure all your moving parts are washed off very well. Last time we went and rode, I had hit something and it knocked my radiator hose into my pipe and caused it to melt. Thankfully it didn't melt all the way through, but I'm gonna have to look at how much it did when I get it cleaned up. Probably have to replace it. I'm not sure. Hope not, but it's one of those things. Riding dirt bikes is expensive. That's why we always want to take care of them so you don't have to buy one again for a while. That's going over spots he missed and trying to get it nice and cleaned up so we can check his chain came off, so we're gonna have to redo the wheel. We had to put his chain back on the fly. And a fellow let us borrow some tools, and it got a little too tight, so we're gonna have to adjust that. So the chain's real tight on it.
Dad,
that's where you wrecked, ain't it?
Scraped right here.
Yep. Yeah. Scraped it up.
Come on, Rick.
He had a pretty bad wreck.
We didn't get on footage, sadly.
Yeah.
But
unfortunately, the GoPro, I didn't have it working at the time. Thought I did, but it didn't.
And I wrecked and y'all missed it, so I'm sorry.
The next thing I like to do, once we get the bikes okay cleaned, is to oil the chain. It's very important to keep your chain oiled. You don't want a rusted chain, could break. It just helps the bike. Seth's bike's pretty clean. Alright. I got a can of spray here. It's heavy duty chain lubricant from Moose Racing that I like to use. Okay guys, the bikes are washed up. We oiled the chains, fixed Seth's chain, loosened it up, and tested them out. Just a little run through the yard. And that's how you take care of your stuff. That way you can have it and enjoy it for a long time. You keep it nice and clean, oil it up, check the fluids, check the air filters. Bikes are expensive and you don't want to tear them up. Y'all have a good day.